Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation we will study about how to perform a reverse osmosis membrane replacement. Signs you need a reverse osmosis membrane replacement. Keep your RO system at peak performance. Signs you need a reverse osmosis membrane replacement. Key replacement indicators: 15 to 20% drop in normalized permeate flow, 10 to 15% increase in differential pressure, dP. Salt passage exceeds design/spec limit. End of expected membrane life, typically 5 to 7 years. Visual inspection or lab test confirms irreversible fouling/damage. Tools and safety. Tools required: membrane loading/unloading tool, lubricant, NSF approved, clean plastic sheets or tarps, torque wrench, gloves, PPE. Safety measures: depressurize and lockout system. Use PPE, gloves, goggles, anti-slip shoes. Avoid membrane damage during handling. Pre-replacement preparations: isolate and drain the RO pressure vessel. Tag and mark vessels for orientation. Remove permeate ports and adapters. Inspect vessel for damage or deposits. Prepare new membranes, check serial numbers, storage condition. Membrane removal procedure: open vessel end cap. Disconnect permeate tube coupling. Use removal tool to slide out membrane. Clean the pressure vessel with clean water. Inspect internal components, example interconnectors, seals. New membrane installation: check flow direction and serial number. Apply lubricant lightly to brine seal. Insert membrane smoothly using proper alignment. Connect permeate tube couplings. Replace end adapters and close vessel cap. System start up after replacement. Conduct low pressure flush with filtered water, no chemicals, for 30 to 60 minutes. Check for leaks. Gradually ramp up feed pressure while monitoring. Differential pressure, permeate flow and quality, conductivity and SDI. Avoid hydraulic shocks during startup. Post-replacement monitoring. Record baseline performance. Permeate flow. Salt rejection. dP. Compare with membrane supplier projection. Monitor for 48 to 72 hours for stabilization.
Thank you for watching this video.